Hi, this is Brian Amick, digital editor at Bake Magazine. One of the key features of this year's IBIE is the Retail Bakers of America Bakers Center, decorated by Corbion. Here you'll discover riveting baking competitions and live pastry, bread, and cake decorating demonstrations from some of the biggest names in the industry, including your favorite Food Network stars. A packed lineup of celebrity and master bakers will bring innovations to life. They'll share creative ideas and practical tips from 4 distinct stages: the American Cake Decorating Magazine stage, the Celebrity Demo stage, the Presentation stage, and the Pillsbury Creative Cake Decorating Competition stage. The Bakers Center was designed with your professional development in mind, so be sure and take advantage of its free demos, talks, and competitions at this year's IBIE.